Hi everyone, you have a clicker and it clicks sometimes, it lights sometimes and doesn't. Well, we finally got rid of that and have gone to the TBTeek butane torch. We burn wood for heating our home, and once I got it, I will not go back to a clicker. This has a great flame to it, as you can see, and the flame is controllable. You can vary that out and bring it down, or you can bring it wide open. On the back of it, it has a fuel gauge on it, and installing fuel is really easy. Push that in there, compress it, and then when you get it full, there's a maximum window on the gauge itself. We'll show you how much fuel is in there. You don't want to overfuel it. You will have some problems. It will light, but it will have a little kind of a sputter to it if you overfill it. It also has a button on the side of it if you want to have a continuous flame. Press that and you'll have a continuous flame. Just hit the trigger and that pops out. So like I said, we do fireplaces, and I'll show you how fast this lights a fire. Just like that. We use ours for lighting fires, but this torch will also, you could use it for soldering or any type of craft work or for cooking, and I highly recommend it.